Alrighty, guys. As you know, Bitcoin has been dumping a ton and it has given us great opportunities on some altcoins. Not all altcoins, because some altcoins are going to dump way harder if Bitcoin keeps going down. I have 3 picks that I think are great buys now. If that sounds good, smash that like button because we're diving right into this, guys. As you guys know, Bitcoin is back at 41.6, but Bitcoin had a major dump almost to the 40,000 level. We are getting dangerously close to that CME gap, which means if we stopped at the CME gap, then these altcoins are getting to the best prices that you're going to get. The bears think there's 30 or 40% below us. I even called that there could be, but if there wasn't, if there was not, you've got great buying opportunities. And this bled and bounced back, but I've got 3 tokens for you that I think are great buying opportunities. So without further ado, let's dive into number 1 of those tokens right here. We've got Arbitrum. We're going to do Arbitrum first, guys. We got Arbitrum right here. I think Arbitrum is becoming a really good buy. It is down 17.17% on the week. It is down, it's up 59% still on the month. So here's what's happening with Arbitrum. Arbitrum is very valuable to the Ethereum ecosystem, guys. An ETH ETF is going to be the next to happen. Bitcoin is done. Bitcoin is the old play. The new play is Ethereum. So because of that, that's why we had this monstrous rise from $1.18 all the way up here to $2 in about 48 cents. Now we're down to about $1.79. This looks like probably one of the lowest chances they gave us. They gave us 174 down here, and then we just had 176. I bought some Arbitrum, and so did my fiance just yesterday. If we wanted to look over here at the ARB chart, we are inside of that support line. We're in a very, very popular support line. We spent a ton of area here. This used to be a resistance line. Now this whole box, I've turned it into a support line. The bottom of the box is about 166. As you guys saw, look over here. Was that where we went to? We went to 173. It probably went to like 170. CoinMarket doesn't always get it, but check it out here, you guys. If we stopped here, this is where you guys are looking to buy at. You guys are down from the top of this bad boy. You guys are down 28% about. You guys are almost 28% from where this thing topped out at. I think Arbitrum is probably going to be a really good play with the ETH ecosystem play. I would not buy a ton right now. I would buy some. Definitely buy some. Do your own research. Not financial advisor, guys. I would buy some right here, and then I would add to the position as it goes down. If it continued to go down, where do we go? We go to back to this area right here. We go to the 140s and 150s area, maybe as low as the 128 area. That's the bloodiest case scenario. I think it's a good buy now, though, if you guys were DCAing long term. Okay, guys, on to our very second pick. This is another one that has been exploding like crazy. SUI. We are looking at SUI today because SUI is down 6% on the day, and it is actually down quite 15% on the week. Now, this is everything that's happened since the ETF. Since the ETF went down, now we're looking at this right here. It topped out at like a 142 price tag. We're back down here at the 108. If you looked over here, we are right down here at this line, at the 108 line. If you guys wanted to look at it on this chart, you guys are back in this area. See where we spent a lot of time back in this area, the 108 area. That's like a good support line right there. We're back at that support line. If we lose that support line, you could expect we're going to come back down to like the 90-cent range. There it is right there. I've got it marked right there, 88 cents. So if we lose this area at the 106, we're going to go back down to the 88-cent range. Do I think it's a good buy now? I would buy it now, not financial advice. I would buy it now and like a DCA position. Like if I've got 1,000, I'm probably going to put 500 in now, maybe 400 in now, with the opportunity to put 300 in 2 more times, or 200 in 4 more times, or however you guys do it. But that's just an example of what I would do with this play right here. SUI is a great project. SUI definitely has a really bright future. As you see, SUI just crushed it. It basically evaporated all of its losses for the whole year. We're at a 1 billion market cap. SUI is supposed to be the Ethereum killer. And so, yes, ETH is going to be the next play. Never, no buy. It's fucking team. Yeah, he's bearish. But yeah, no, SUI, I mean, he could be as bearish as he wants. It went from 37 cents all the way to $1.40, and this is a blue chip crypto project. And so I think Sui's being overlooked at such a low market cap. Sui can definitely explode much, much higher from here, guys. Do your own research on all this stuff. Like I said, DCA is what I'm doing right now. And a shout out to my sponsor here. You guys, right now, if you guys are trying to get money to get into crypto, if you guys don't have enough money to invest tens of thousands of dollars into your favorite altcoins, you guys can start making money now. Let me check this out here for you guys. You're getting 71% off with my deal. I teamed up with Apex. They're going to give you guys 71% off to try out, to have funding, guys. You guys can get funded here with any size of these accounts. Look at 71% coupon code applied right here. That's my coupon code. Make sure you type in the coupon code on your way to checkout. You guys are going to get an account, a $150,000 account. I got a bunch of these $100,000 accounts right here. Each account that you get funded, you get the $100,000 worth of capital to trade with. This capital, now I'm not saying use this capital for crypto. You can't use it for that. You're trading futures here, guys. And it's a lot easier than you guys actually want to make it out to be. You buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high. Right, guys? You could short it at the top, long it at the bottom. Literally, they're doing a plan where you guys can get funded in a single day. You get $150,000 worth of capital to start with. Do you know how easy it is to make a couple thousand a day off of $150,000 worth of capital? So let's scroll back up. Why do you choose them? You're going to get 100% of the first $25,000 that you pay out, and then it's a 90-10 split. That's awesome. You get paid twice a month. You can qualify in as little as 7 days, and like I said, they were running the one-day special. I don't know if they're still doing it or not. You're going to have to try it out for yourselves. Trade full-size contracts in evaluations and the funded account, meaning there's no restrictions. Usually there's restrictions. There's no restrictions. There's no daily drawdowns. You can trade on holidays. You can trade your normal day-to-day strategy and system during the news. There's nodal cap out on the maximum payout, meaning if you had $1 million, if you made $1 million, you can literally cash out the whole million. One step of out, real-time data, simple risk management rules, and you can trade with up to 20 accounts. So guys, there you guys go. I have that hit there for you guys. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking that out. Definitely check it out. I'm involved with Apex. Apex is a very great firm. They've paid out $89 million since 2022. So if you guys are trying to be part of that, they pay out about $7 million a month since January of last year. In the past year, they've been paying about $7 million a month. So anyway, guys, here we go. Getting back into the video. All right, guys, so we're back in here in the charts. Last but not least, I've got Aventus Metaverse. Aventus Metaverse is at 151K market cap now. It has come down substantially. As you guys see, we went on this monstrous rise from man, oh man. It was a 900% rise, followed by, and I wasn't buying the top. I started buying at 55. It was at 55 when I got into it, and then I sold some when I saw Bitcoin dump, and then this dumped, and I was able to buy it all back here, sell it back here, buy it back here. I'm in. I'm fully in. My whole position, 260K tokens. I have a video I posted for you guys yesterday. I bought 100K tokens yesterday. Check out that video below. Definitely check this project out, though. We got a 60 dex score here. 2 audits to check out for yourselves. 565 holders. We're all the way back down here in this support area. This whole thing, where is it? This whole thing down here is a support area. Look at this. You would say right there, there's a lot of touches, a lot of resistance and support happening. If you made it a box, that box would go as low as this area right here where it's been touching down. Bottom of 33. So you guys are getting an insane buying opportunity if this thing's gonna survive. If it's gonna survive, you know what I mean? You might go as low as the bottom of this. Ooh, where is it? The bottom of this is the lowest I would think that you're gonna go if it's gonna stay bullish, right? So you're in between this box, this little land right here. From here, this thing could actually just bounce off this support line and go up if it was going to. What would I do? Of course, the same thing. Do your own research, and then if you like the project, dollar cost average here. I would definitely dollar cost average here if you guys are interested because of how low the market cap and the price has gotten. It literally was all the way up here at 92. You guys are down, my gosh. What did I say you guys were down? You guys are down 57%. You're down 57% from the top of this bad boy right here. So you guys are getting a 57% deal on this. Check it out. It's a metaverse project. It's Becker backed. I believe Alex Becker still has a bag of it. There's a ton of guys on Discord talking about this one. Like literally very active community. These guys are like to the moon with this thing right here. So definitely check out that project. All three of these projects I think are great deals right now. This one's probably the best deal because it's came down so far. But here's the caveat with that. This is the best deal, but it's also the highest risk. You see, I started with the lowest risk. Arbitrum is like a for sure thing almost. Arbitrum's probably most definitely going to survive. ETH is going to survive. I know ETH will survive, and Arbitrum is part of ETH. And so Arbitrum has the strongest reliability. Sui is like a toss-up if something bad happens with their network. I mean, like, we know what happens. We know what happened with Terra Luna. We know what happened with FTX. Things happen, okay, guys? So I always keep that in mind. But I do think this is definitely a great buy. And if you guys are betting long for these things to go up, these would probably be even great spot opportunities. I would not leverage on this, but a great spot opportunity for the short term if we're looking at a bounce here. But you have to keep an eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, I would not be holding any risky positions. I also wouldn't load full bags if you're seeing Bitcoin go bearish. Usually when I see Bitcoin start dumping, it dumps before the altcoins, I'll reduce all my position size, not all of them, but I'll like take some tokens off of projects that I like to buy a dip on and I have too much money on. Like if I have 1,500 worth of a project like this, Bitcoin starts dumping, I'll take 500 off, knowing that I can put the 500 back on because this is probably going to dump after Bitcoin dumps. So anyway, that's what I have for you there. Do want to give out an honorable mention over here, pulling on into my portfolio. Honorable mention down here to Chain of Legends. Chain of Legends is on fire. Chain of Legends, there's the one day on Chain of Legends, 8% on the day, 47% on the week. Bitcoin has been bloody. The whole market has been bloody. This has not. We're up 48% on the week. I needed to bring this to you guys again, because all the guys in my Discord now are talking about this thing. People, like, I have people loading up on this project, guys. You do not want to miss the run on Chain of Legends, because I think Chain of Legends is a fantastic project. It's a play to earn game. You guys can get a mine inside the game. I have my own mine. I'm mining tokens inside of the game. Very, very active community. If you look on their Telegram, there's people buying and selling tons of items to each other on there. Everybody loves this game. Everybody within it is like, I haven't heard anybody with anything bad to say about this. It's definitely a hidden gem. And at a 500,000 market cap, it's not going to be hidden for much longer, guys. This one's probably going to explode real soon here. We're up 61% on the month. I was buying back in that 31 area. Where's that 31 area? I was loading up on this 31 area. I should have hammered it in when it was at 31, but I didn't know it was going to take off this crazy. I thought we were going to get better prices. I thought maybe we could have made it down to the 25 area. You know what I mean? Like back down where we were here if Bitcoin went down so much, but Bitcoin's been dumping and dumping and dumping, and this does not. This just goes. And look, it really looks like it's getting ready for this moonshot. This is the 1 year. It's still down. Oh, man. Still down to 3x on the year, which most of their tokens reached their 52-week highs already. They're back there, most of them. This one has not. So you're looking at a 3x on the year, and you're looking at man, oh man, what is that? A 5x to the all-time high. Of course, I mean, like, this thing probably didn't go very high. I mean, like, we're talking that's only a 2.5 million market cap if you guys are basing it off of this. And by the way, let's look at it on here real quick. C-leg. Just because I think that their market cap is wrong. 266K. Market cap. I trust Dex Tools more. So if you guys think that the boat was gone because it's a 500,000 market cap, it's half the market cap that you guys thought that it was. 4.8 fully diluted, 3.5 total market cap. 6.4K holders, 89 Dex score. Very, very good Dex score, guys. It had 99 Dex score across the board, but there's this external audit thing that's going on right now. It's this disagreement that they've got right here. The contract verified. That's a brand new one that said fucking no contract verified. I don't know why that happened. Of course, the proxy contract was a concern across the board too, but like literally there hasn't been any issues with that. People have been making tons of money off the project. Of course, anything in crypto is very risky, guys. You know, you have to keep that in mind. But yes, you don't want to really miss this run. I would of course DCA, same thing. Just like, because I think these can go lower. I don't know if this one will go lower just because of how strong it is. I mean, and I told the guys in the Discord about it last night, or this morning rather, and they're probably going to buy into it as well because I've been calling really good plays. Whatchamacallit, you know, this thing could be back up over 50. It was at 51. It could be back up there real soon. Do your research as soon as possible, guys. You know, of course, none of this is financial advice, but I'm here to help you guys find the gems so that way you guys have the best opportunities in the market and you guys can be fired up in your new year. So if you got value, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, check out my other video. I'll leave a link right here for this video where I DCA'd into these 5 projects and why I bought these 5 projects. I just made that video. Check out that video. I love you guys lots. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.